Welcome to Trade Dr. Theta Options Trader. We'll recap today's close, look at the futures, and scan through our ETF watch list of spot opportunity. Today is December 28th, 2016, about 5:15, and the markets, they closed all in the red with the Dow down 111 points, S&P down about 18, almost a full percent. The Russell leading the way down with 1%, almost 1.25% down, and as Nasdaq down almost 50. Look at the futures here. It looks like the Russell is down about almost a full percent. Bonds are up just slightly. The VIX is up 0.1%. Crude is coming down. It was up a lot during the day session. Natural gas is gone up also. Gold is up 0.1%. Copper is still at 250, so making a floor on copper. The British pound slipped down another 0.1% at 122.5, and the CAD came up after giving us that buy signal yesterday. It's up to 73.80. The euro is 104.5. Looking at the charts, here's oil. Oil was up after the zigzag today. It was up only a little bit over 0.1%. This is my price target for the end of the week. If you're not short oil, I think this might be a good short, but I'm already short. It's a little higher, but it's going to be trading between the 1178 and 1140 for some time. There's oil explorers, and they were down 1.25%. So this here gives me this confirmation to sell oil explorers. I wish I had a bigger position, a bigger short on it, because this is something I'm going to be holding for a while. I shorted them back here on December 12th. Natural gas was the nice ripper, so now we got a nice big position on natural gas, a nice short position, and I have these levels, especially this one here, which I'm going to change, because this one goes back. This one goes back for a while. This one goes back. It doesn't even tell you. But this is the all-time high, which is the 10.5, 10.30, 10.25 to 10.50. So this is a prime top for the last 3 years. This is the highest it's been for 3 years. So unless we get a colder winter, then I see that coming down. Gold came up about 0.25%. Looking good in our price target for the week, and like I said, gold miners are the biggest. We're gonna recover most. So if you're long gold miners, just take off a little half a position here. Not getting too greedy. It's just getting a little extended there. So we did that. And what I did is I sold some of my junior miners stocks, but still holding on to some. There's silver, no position in silver, but it looks like I want to get long pretty soon. XLE, another broke its support level of 76. So this is another one that's pretty much confirmed. And since it's traveling, it's kind of correlated with the oil explorers, then makes me feel good. Utilities came down. It's a price target here for the week, so it's gonna keep it down there. Industrials, we went short on it yesterday, 2 days ago. This might have been yesterday. Either way, this is our price target here, looking good there. Materials broke through support of 50.34, price target of 49. Trying to find out where this is going. This was a price target. It did close. Now it's kind of trading this apex. Feeling more bullish towards healthcare, but it's got to consolidate a little bit. His real estate, I was hoping it'd go up a little higher to place another short on it. Not doing anything with it right now, but the relative strength is just falling, so it could probably keep traveling this. I took this little bit of a loss here because of this spike like last week, but you know, we were right on the trade. We just then stick in there. There's home builders trading down, hitting the bottom of this trend line, kind of like finding support. The volume is picking up a little bit, so a little bit more volume going on today. Probably people trying to get out. There's a price level here which is 33.25. Retailers, it's kind of slipping down a little bit more, down 1.25%. No position there, just closed out this position for a nice gain. Financials broke down here, so for now, I mean, this is our biggest short position for a while, so I'm waiting for our targets to get hit. And the S&P came down, hitting the support of 224.28. So we'll see where it goes from there. I can see that coming down a little bit more. Come on. This is the Dow. Kind of like broke away from its all-time highs, so we're probably not going to see all-time highs anytime soon. Still above this trend line, so people might look at it as buying opportunities. And the volume got picked up, but we've been short for a while on the Dow. The Nasdaq came down 0.75%. Looks like it's hitting this, making a new trend here. So we're short on it. If it breaks this, then we'll go a little shorter on it. The Russell, one of our biggest gainers today. I closed out a position on it, still a little bit short, so I gotta take this. You know, that's what being a trader is about. Opening, closing positions on profit. Emerging markets are coming up. Nice pop today, almost a full percent. Probably gonna come down tomorrow, but I can see this traveling up that trend line. Japan, kinda, yeah, definitely. Japan is holding on to support. Everything else that's going on, I just trade the charts, but it's holding support at 49.40. China is coming up. Nice. Today almost up a full percent. I didn't do nothing in China. I just have long ETFs. But we'll watch that trend line. India holding on to support on that trend line. Russia is up 0.25% in the middle of that channel. I can see this trade down again. So actually I'll wait for it to come up a little bit more before placing another short. Europe is down another 0.5%. The British pound down about 0.5%. The dollar is smacking up against that, the 26.75 area. And here's a VIX. Nice. We had a nice movement, so I'm up not too much, but I'm up a little bit on the VIX after all of this. I'm still pricing the target at 25. So thanks for watching. I'd like you to subscribe here at my face and definitely ask some questions. If there's any other videos, I'm thinking of switching up, adding the Mexico ETF to it. because there's some action going on there in Mexico. Um, see what else. Hey, be safe out there. Happy trading. Make sure you hedge your bets. Peace.